Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a living trust with Trust and Will, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy a living trust using Trust and Will, first, visit the Trust and Will website. Create an account by providing your email address and setting a secure password. Once logged in, select Create a Trust to begin the process. Choose the state where you reside, as trust laws may vary by location. Follow the prompts to enter your trust details, including the name of the trust and the grantor's information. Designate the beneficiaries of the trust, specifying who will receive the assets. Next, identify the trustee, who will manage the trust according to your instructions. Input information about the assets you plan to place into the trust, such as real estate and bank accounts. Review the options for funding your trust, ensuring you understand how to transfer assets effectively. Consider any specific provisions or instructions you want to include regarding the trust management. Once all information is entered, review the trust document generated by Trust and Will for accuracy. Make any necessary edits and ensure all details are correct before finalizing. When satisfied with the document, proceed to purchase the trust package that suits your needs. After the purchase, you will receive your trust documents via email for your review. Download the documents and print them as needed. Sign the trust documents in the presence of a notary if required by your state laws. Ensure that all assets are transferred into the trust by updating titles and account ownership. Keep a copy of the trust documents in a safe place for your records. Review your living trust periodically to ensure it remains up to date with your wishes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.